we're going to change out this ignition switch. Pull this off. There are two screws. There are two screws under the steering column right here and right here. You need to pull them out with Torx. And then we got another one right there. And then we got this panel has got to come off. Right there to get to the switch. You're going to remove the hush panel. Once it comes off, you're going to remove these bolts to remove this plate here. And you want to keep track of where your screws come off, and because they go up in there, you can't use bits. You need to use your Torx. So you got to get rough with it, but it's just a hunk of rubber, and once you get this piece off.
So how do you get it? How'd you do it? I missed it.
You just got to yank on it.
Which way?
Back, pull it off. It's going to slide straight on like this and snap on. But it's just a hunk of rubber, but you got to pull it back towards the seat, and you got to get rough with it. But once you get that off,
come on now,
then you can take this off.
Seriously?
And now,
to remove the ignition cylinder, there is a small hole on the very bottom. You're going to have to use a little punch. I'm not even looking in the right place. Right under here. And then you just jiggle it out and it just slides right out. Now I done forgot. Push down and pull those out. I've already loosened them there. Pull down on those tabs and disconnect that next. And there's a red lock wrench. Torque driver, whatever you call it. Okay. So there's this needs to come undone.
that's a T25.
Alright, so right here you have the steering wheel tilt lever. I've already taken the Torx screws out, but there's only two, one right there and one right there. And they look just like this right here. And that's what's going to go back in there. So that's going to... Right here is your ignition switch. I just put it back in. You just pull up on this little stick looking thing right here. Little tab. And it just slides right out. But then you got to kind of finagle it. And wiggle it out, pull it down a little bit, turn it. And there it is. We'll be putting a new one in at a later time.
Okay, this is keyed, so you got to make sure you're going to line the new one up with that same position, or it's not going to go in there. And there's the clip you got to release to pull it out. And then there was
well, you should tell me your name and stuff, and I'll give you a shout out on my video. Go check them out.
you got to take the hood latch off. When you buy a new replacement, you'll notice that This is different from this. Do not turn the old one. You need to clock the new one so that that matches up with that, or you're never going to get it in there in those slots. So get a really big screwdriver that fits that perfectly. Turn this one till it looks like that. So this is the locking tab that prevents you from pulling this out. You can see you can't push that in. That's what you're pushing in with that pin. And you have to turn the key. When you turn it to the on position, now that will depress. See, now it's locked. So you need to get a really big screwdriver. So you need to get a really big screwdriver. You'll feel a notch when it locks in, but get them turned both the same way with the old one.